Visit Sayrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. This is a Roman shade with roller clutch system. We mounted it in our RV. This video will highlight how this shade works for a home or RV. A link to the full tutorial video will be shown in the description and the upper right corner of this video. This is a Roman shade with a roller clutch system. And we have a separate video that shows you exactly how to build this. We're not going to cover this exact fabric, but the principles are the same. So it has a roller bead chain that you can use to raise the Roman shade and a roller system underneath. And it makes a great shade for an RV. You do have to make a headboard here that comes out about 2 1/4 inches from the wall. So you do have to take that into account here. So as we take off the shade here, you can see the hardware underneath. So as we use the rollers, we're going to just show you how it operates. You can see that the mechanism just unrolls the line. We used a L bracket here to mount the headboard, and then it's screwed directly into the wall. That's also over here as well. So we just used 2 L brackets. It has 2 screws in the wall and 2 screws into the bottom of the headboard. And we did cover the headboard with fabric, and we also made these little tabs on the end to hide this hardware, otherwise this would be exposed. So these tabs have a micro basting clip here that holds it together. So when the shade is completed, we use the hook and loop system, and we basically just secure it to that headboard. Here's what the back of the shade looks like with that liner and with the lines coming through it. So if you'd like to make a Roman shade with a roller clutch system, we have kits available at Sayrite. Visit the Sayrite website and click on Learn and DIY Projects, then Home Projects. Now click on Window Treatments. There you will see how to make a Roman shade with roller clutch system. Here you will find the products to the right, and you will find the tutorial video at the bottom. And we do have a link in the description and at the upper right-hand corner of this video to show you how to do that. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sayrite, thanks for watching.